shop. It's called Warhammer. It's got all the Warhammer stuff in there. It's so cool. Look at this game store. So many games. Cool games. Game of Thrones, Monopoly. What? Harry Potter, Cluedo. What?
We had Joy, which is like bigger than I am. So.
Oh really? Yeah. Joy's like you guys together. What is this thing? Very like muscular. Would kind of work better. But the best part about it is, you know, we're being shuffered by Dwayne Tan. She says hello.
Hello.
And if you believe in magic, this is magic.
So this is storage. A lot of Scandinavian countries have like storage at the basement. Extra storage. This is gorgeous. So this was a mirror before, but it's not anymore, but it's still very, very pretty. And that was the taxi bill.
Driving around.
The taxi bill from the guy who took my jacket by mistake. So gorgeous. This place.
Oh my gosh, I wasn't one. Coming in here to share a meal, and that's what's going to happen. A lot of food is going to come into your tables, and you're going to share that food. You're going to serve yourself of rice, pass the plate around, serve yourself of chips, pass it around, and that's what we do here in the...
And this one has an ice cream. Super cute. It's cute. Halloween.
But this is the top one. I like it. Move in. So many of them. Look at the pigeon on the head. So you kind of bet, and then wherever it stops is where you get the chocolate. What is this high-tech thing? Something about traveling through time, I guess. And then you have the traditional ones, of course. They're playing Mulan. Wow. It's got like a Chinese theme. This is... So I got this apple brew, and they give you the cup. And you take it home. It's amazing.
What is it? It says why it has to be sad when we leave something. It says, oh, it's going to be something far from you.
It is quite a workout on this. Oh my gosh, it's tilted. So this whole ship is tilted. I don't think you can see it very well, but it's tilted. And it's tiring to be on. Look at the number of board games. This is insane.
I'm happy to be here. I haven't been here in a while. But this is one of my favorite places to go.